Hey folks, welcome back to Codeless Craft. I'm Alex.
And I'm Priya. In our last episode, we broke down the core skills every student or beginner should learn in 2025.
But today's episode? Oh, we are dialing into the tech side. These are the top tech skills you can learn to land jobs, freelance gigs, or build your own products.
Even if you are just starting with zero experience, this one's for you. Let's dive in.
Python programming.
First up, Python. Honestly, this is the best language for beginners. Why? It's super readable.
Yeah, Python is like the gateway drug into tech. It powers AI, data science, automation, even web apps.
You can learn it free on FreeCodeCamp, Codeless, or even solo learn on mobile.
Wanna build something? Try a calculator app, a web scraper, or even a simple chatbot. You'll learn tons by building.
Next is the heart of the front end, JavaScript plus React.
React makes websites fast, dynamic, and super interactive. No wonder React devs are in high demand.
Start with Code with Harry, Scrimba, or JavaScript Info, all beginner friendly.
Project time? Try a to-do list, portfolio website, or even a simple weather app using APIs.
Tech isn't just about code, it's also about data. That's where SQL comes in.
Exactly. If you can manage or analyze data, you are already valuable. Every company needs that.
Learn SQL on Khan Academy, more analytics, or good old CHOLS.
And practice by building a student database or a small analytics dashboard using sample data.
Skill number 4, every dev's secret weapon, Git and GitHub.
This is your version control. You can track code changes, collaborate with others, and, bonus, show off your work to recruiters.
Use GitHub Docs or try the Git immersion tutorial. Tons of YouTube tutorials out there cool.
Pro tip, push your practice projects to GitHub with proper README files. It becomes your online tech portfolio.
2025 is the year of AI. If you are not using tools like ChatGPT, DALL, or Gemini, you are missing out.
Use ChatGPT to help you debug, write scripts, or even explain code to you. It's like having a tutor on demand.
DALL is for generating images, and Gemini is great for creative workflows.
Project idea? Build a mini AI tool directory or a ChatGPT-based study assistant.
And you can learn all this via YouTube, Prompt Hero, or tech blogs.
And finally, for all our visual thinkers, here is a bonus skill: UI UX design with Figma.
If you want to design apps, websites, or collaborate with developers, this is gold.
Figma community and Coursera are awesome places to learn UI basics.
Try designing a landing page or a full app UI for a startup idea. You'll love it.
So there you go. 6 powerful tech skills to supercharge your 2025 career.
Pick one. Just one. Start small. Build real projects. And stay consistent.
In our next episode, we are talking about creative and freelance skills, the ones you can monetize from home.
Subscribe, like, and share this with a friend who needs to hear this.
These are the skills that will truly make your resume stand out in 2025. Start small, build real projects, and keep learning. In the next part, we will explore creative and freelance skills you can monetize from home. Subscribe to Codeless Craft for more.
You're listening to Codeless Craft, English edition. See you next time.